Hi everyone, in this video I want to cover installation and advanced programming for the T4 Pro thermostat. On a new install, you will automatically be taken into advanced programming upon power up after setting the date and time. You will see two numbers on the screen. The smaller number at the top is the function, and the larger number at the bottom is the setting. A full list of functions and settings can be found in the installation manual. For example, function 120 allows you to enable or disable scheduling with options such as 511 and 7-day schedules. To change a setting, use the plus and minus buttons. To move forward to the next option, press Select. When you are at the end of the function list, you will see Done on the screen. Press Select to exit advanced programming and save your changes. To enter advanced programming on an existing install, hold both the menu and plus buttons together for 5 seconds. Here, you can access advanced programming, test features, and do a factory reset. To enter advanced programming, press Select on ISU. The part number for your thermostat can be located on a sticker on the back of the thermostat, along with our support number. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.